You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said, 'cause she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands, you've been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? You belong with me. Walking the streets with you in your worn out jeans, I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that could light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands, you've been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. You were driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry. I know your favorite songs, then you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong, think I know it's with me. Can't you see that I'm the one who understands? You've been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me.
Hello, sister! Ayan na nga, so nagpapamakeup na tayo kasi on the way na tayo sa event ng TikTok Shop Creator Expo. Napakaganda mga sister ng venue at ang dami ko nakita ditong TikTok creators at mga affiliators. Andito din yung mga booth ng iba't ibang mga brand. At ang pinaka-highlight mga sister, grabe naman po ang mga naburaot na mga booth. Sister! Kakauwi ko lang galing TikTok Shop Creator Expo. Kung ako nagkakamali, event siya. Kahit antong-tantong na ako, pagod na ako. Pero gagawa pa rin tayo ng haul. Haul to mga people, mga brand na naputol namin. Siyempre, first of all mga people, thank you so much mga brands na nagbigay ng kanilang mga pa-freebies, also mga items and kanilang mga products. Thank you so much! Alam niyo mga people, kanina ko pa ini-imagine na mga regalo to sa akin. Ganun pala yung feeling kapag yung madami ka natatanggap na regalo or mga sponsor. Ganito yun. Pero hindi siya sponsor, hindi siya regalo. Ito ay yung mga naburaot namin sa mga booth. So mabilis na lang to mga sister. First, yung Inspi. Meron silang sticker, t-shirt ulit. Grabe naman. Di tinipid ang kanilang mga product. Pabango to. Sticker again. Thank you ba? Next mga people, aficionado. Hindi mo kaya, B. No! Sorry, hindi mo kaya, aficionado, na burautan mo ng product. Oh, sheesh. Meron silang pabango, dalawa. Meron tayong naburakat na Vitres. Ayan, grabe, ang ganda ng packaging, mga sister. Ito, yan laman. Thank you po! We have product from O2O. Hindi ko sure, pero yeah, thank you. Meron siyang laman na powder ata or cream. Meron silang primer. Hindi ko alam kung primer yun. Tapos, contour. Thank you po! Ito naman is Make Life Simple by Tech Life. Ang ganda ng kanilang tote bag. And meron sila pamaypay. And meron silang pa-pulper. Thank you! E&M Naturals. Hindi ko pa nakita kung ano. Oh, sheesh! Oh, soap bar, toner. O parang mga organic product. Parang ganun. Thank you! Hindi na natin kailangan bumili ng snack dahil meron ng Chef Tony's Delightful Popcorn by Chef Tony's. So, ito yung laman niya. Habang nakain ito, nanonood ako ng laman niya. Ito mga people yung kauna-unahan kong naburautan ng boat. Elephant Pal. So yung laman niya, ang dami niyang laman actually. Sobrang daming laman. Hindi din talaga nagpatalo, hindi tinipid. Alam niyo mga people, nakatipid ako sa pag-shopping. Lahat talaga ng magagamit ko. So, baka yung iba sister from Glowlin. Yeah, meron silang pakape. Meron silang palip serum. Kailangan ko to be. Kailangan ko niyan. Ito, from Skin Ever. Yung laman niya, ayan, yung kanilang product nila, gano'n. Yung laman nito is Clip Mask Cleanser. Thank you! Skin Ever! Ito, sister, from Evo Snow and Me Too. Whitening toothpaste, B. Kailangan ko to kasi dilaw siya talaga, B. Thank you! Pagtiis kayong manood, okay? Malapit na tayo matapos. This is from the Specially Day Eternal Lab. The Specially Day. So, yung laman niya is cleanser ulit. Ito. M-Commerce. Meron din silang pa-t-shirt, B. Oh, she's ang ganda ng t-shirt. Meron silang pad para susulatan ko ng mga utang. Meron din pala silang pa-button. Matapos na talaga. Ito yung mga ilan-ilan na lang, mga consolation prize. Kasi may mga pag-game sila. So, kapag di na nanalo, syempre, meron din naman silang pa-consolation prize. Ito, AirPods, Buds Neo. AirPods ba to? Or sa iPhone or Apple lang yun. Hindi ko alam, B. Anong alam ko dyan? Tapos, ito, Snail White Lotion. Ito, from Tech Life. Yun yung parang phone stand. Gen 8! Super cutie. Ito, medyo nakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan. Pero yeah, thank you sa pa-pouch. Poba 6. Hindi ko alam kung tama. Poba 6. Ito yung last. May mga pa-chocolates. Ayun na mga sister! Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.